Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Maths class. How are you? Fine? Yes. Okay, Nana. So stay home, stay safe, Nana. Okay. And see, Nana already informed to you this month you have FA1 examination 29, 30 and 31st. So are you prepared for that exam? Yes. What's the portion for Maths? Already I informed this also. Yes, chapter 1 and 2 and 2 to 20 tables. So well prepared, Nana. So in the previous class we revised some concepts. Okay, so in today's class I am going to revise the remaining concepts on the second chapter. Before going to the revision, see children, in page number 27, all of you, not page number 27, Nana, page number 9. So page number 9 and 27 I didn't explain in the textbook. Why? Because at that time you are not having Maths textbooks, no, Nana. So now I will explain page number 9. So my dear children, all of you open page number 9 in your Maths textbook, ma. Open. See children, here let's get started. The large numbers. Let's get started. Our solar system has 8 planets. How many planets are there in our solar system? Yes, 8 planets. Diameter of some of the planets is given below. So complete the table. So they are given the diameters, Nana, planet and the diameter. So we have to round off the diameter to the nearest 1000. Okay. So all of you open page number 9. I will write page number 9. See ma, planet, diameter in kilometers, round off diameter to the nearest 1000. So page number 9 open, Nana, and see. So planet, what is the planet given here? Earth. First one, Earth. How much diameter? 12,756. My dear children, see this one, Nana. To round off this number to the nearest 1000, first you look at the digit at the hundreds place. Come on, tell me, what's the digit in the hundreds place? Yes, 7. Is it less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So this number is rounded up. That means add 1 to the thousands place and keep zeros to the remaining places. So see, Nana, 13,000. So this number is rounded to 13,000. Why? The digit in the hundreds place is 7. It is greater than 5. So you should add 1 to the thousands place and keep zeros in the hundreds, tens and ones places. So this number is rounded off to 13,000. Is it clear, Nana? Okay. Now Jupiter. First one is over. Jupiter. So Jupiter is 142,984. Okay. See here thousands place. So to round off this diameter to the nearest 1000, so that you see the digit at the hundreds place. What's the digit at hundreds place? 9. 9 is greater than 5. So that this number is rounded up. That means you add 1 to the thousands place and keep 0 at the hundreds, tens and ones places. So this is 143,000. Okay. And next, Saturn. Saturn diameter is 120,536. Okay. Again you see the digit at the hundreds place, Nana. It is 5. So 5 equal to 5. That means you should add 1 to the thousands place and the remaining place, that means the digits at the hundreds, tens, ones places equal to 0. So this number is rounded off to 121,000. Okay, ma? And next, Uranus. 51,118. 51,180. Come on, look at the digit at the hundreds place. Yes, it is 1. 1 is less than 5. That means we need not to change the thousands place. We should keep asterisk thousands, and the hundreds, tens and ones places become to 0. So this number is rounded off to 51,000. Okay, 51,000. And next, Venus. So Venus, the diameter of the Venus is 12,104. Come on, observe the digit at the hundreds place as 1. So 1 is less than 5. So this number is rounded down. That means need not to change the thousands place, and we will keep zeros in the hundreds, tens and ones places. So this number is rounded to 12,000. Okay, ma? Now it is over. Now we will write the diameters. So what is given down? See children, complete this in your textbook, Nana. Now see, arrange these planets according to their diameter. According to their diameters. So we have to arrange the planets according to the diameter, means we will write the diameters either ascending order or descending order. Okay, Nana? So here they are given 1 dashes only, Nana. So we will write first ascending order. Okay, ascending order means small to big. So which one is the smallest one? Yes, 12,000. So that means Venus. So you will keep AO. AO means here we write the planets according to the diameter in ascending order, increasing order. Okay, so first one is, see Nana here, 12,000. That means Venus. And next one, 13,000, Earth. And next one, 51,000, Uranus. Next, 121,000, Saturn. And next one, 143,000, Jupiter. So like this, we have to arrange the diameters of the planets. So either ascending order or descending order. Why? Because they are not given specify Nana, that question. So that you have to write, they are not specifying that whether ascending order or descending order. So what they are asking the question, arrange these planets according to their diameter. Okay, Nana? So we will write the diameters ascending order as well as in descending order also. Okay, ma? So they are given only 1 dashes, Nana. So here you have to keep AO. AO means ascending order. Now in the down you will keep DO and keep the dashes like this. Descending order means big to small. As Jupiter first. Just you have to reverse this one. Saturn, Uranus, Earth, Venus. Okay? It's note down in your textbook, Nana. So here the dashes are not given. You only keep the dashes and keep DO. DO means descending order. Okay? Is it clear to you, children? So what they are asking the question? They are given planets and their diameters. You have to round up the diameter to the nearest 1,000. After you have to arrange the planets according to their diameter. So they are not specifying whether it is increasing or decreasing. So that we have to write both ascending order and descending order. Note down in your textbook, Nana. As now open page number 27. So page number 27 also I didn't explain. Now all of you open page number 27. Open page number 27 in your textbook. First one. See ma here what is given. Rahul purchased a cot worth 8,000 rupees, sofa set worth 25,000 rupees and center table worth 9,500 and television worth 45,900 rupees for his new house. Okay Nana? So Rahul purchased some items Nana for his new house. What are those items? Yes, cot. Cost of the cot is 8,000 rupees and the sofa set, its cost is 25,000 rupees. Center table, its cost is 9,500 rupees and television, its cost is 45,900 rupees. Okay. Now here they are given some questions Nana based on that. First question, how much more did he spend for television than sofa set? See the first question, how much more did he spend for television than sofa set? So this is the first question Nana. So now you have to look at that television cost and sofa cost. So television is 45,900 rupees and sofa set is 25,000 rupees. Okay. So I will write the cost of these items side Nana. Just see, cot 8,000 rupees, sofa 25,000 rupees. Next, center table 9,500 rupees. Television 45,900 rupees. Total 4 items Nana. Okay ma? Now see the question, how much more did he spend for the television than sofa set? See here television cost is 45,900 rupees and the sofa is 25,000 rupees. So here he spent more on television than sofa. Isn't it? So then how much more he spent on the television than sofa set? How do you get this answer? How much more, how much less? These are the keywords for subtraction. Very good. Now you have to do the subtraction. 45,900 rupees minus 25,000. So here we have to write, see 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 9, 5 minus 5, 0, 4 minus 2. 2. So answer is 20,900 rupees. So here you have blank Nana. Every question after they are given some space. So in that space you have to write this one. And next to second one. What is his total expenditure? Total means what we have to do? Yes, addition. What is his total expenditure? Come on, you have to add all these items Nana. So first you have to arrange 45,900, 25,000 and next 9,500, 8,000. Total means you should add all this one. 0, 0, 9 plus 5, 14, 10, 20, 28 and 80. So totally the total cost is 88,400 rupees. Okay, this is the total expenditure. You do that addition side. Okay ma? And next, what would the total, Nana, don't write this one side Nana. This already given in your textbook Nana, that question. Okay, just you have to do the addition side and write the answer. Okay ma? And third one, what would the total expenditure have been if we had not bought the cot? See Nana, the total expenditure is 88,400. Suppose if we had not bought the cot, that means you have to subtract the 8,000 rupees from 88,400. Then we will get the total expenditure of the remaining items. Okay, is it clear to you children? Try to understand the third question. What would the total expenditure have been if we had not bought the cart? If we had not bought the cart means we have to subtract this amount from the total. Then we will get the total amount of the remaining items. Okay. So, third question is what would the total expenditure have been if we had not bought the cart? Suppose if we had not bought the cart, what is the cost of remaining? Yes. So, from the total, we have to subtract 8,000 rupees. Then we will get the total expenditure of the remaining items. See Nana here, 0, 0, 4, 8 minus 8 is 0 and 8, 80,400 rupees. So, what would the total expenditure? Yes, 80,400 rupees. Okay, is it clear to you children how to fill up these questions? Okay, Nana. So, now first chapter and second chapter, everything is completed, Nana. So, note down in your textbook. Now, open your homework book. So, in the previous class, we completed up to 12th Roman. Now, we will continue the remaining concepts. Okay, children? Yes. Note down this in your textbook. Later, you open the maths homework book. Okay, ma? Now open the homework book and continue that. So, in previous class, we completed the 12 concepts up to 12th Roman. Now, 13th Roman. So, we will complete that, how to write the Roman numerals and how to write the Hindu Arabic numerals. Isn't it? So, in today's class, I am going to revise the remaining concepts. Yes, first one, round off the following numbers to the nearest to 10. Okay, Seema. So, let us take this number as example. So, we have to round off this number to the nearest to 10 means they are asking nearest to 10. See the digit at ones place. What's the digit at ones place? Yes, the digit at ones place is equal to 5. That means 5 equal to 5. Therefore, 4,795 is rounded off to 4,700. Sorry. So, you should add 1. Add 1 to the tens place. Then it becomes 4,800. Okay, ma? So, therefore, 4,795 is rounded off to 4,800. How do we get that answer? See, if you add 1 to this number and this becomes 0, so this becomes 4,800. Okay. And say next one, 2,35,481. So, here also the digit at ones place is equal to 1. Okay, so here 1 is less than 5. So this number is rounded off. Therefore, 2,35,481 is rounded down. That means there is no change in the tens place. Just you keep 0 in the ones place. 2,35,480. Okay, ma? So this is rounded off to 2,35,480. Okay, is it clear to you? Yes, note down in the homework book. Now, round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. 14th one. Come on, write down. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. And B. 3,46,725. So first, so they're asking 100, Nana. So you see the digit at the tens place. So the digit at tens place eight is greater than 5. Therefore, 4,582 is rounded off to, if it is greater, yes, you should add 1 to the hundreds place and keep 0 in the tens and ones places. So it becomes 4,600. 5 plus 1, 6, and we'll keep zeros at the tens and ones places. See children, I didn't write this one. 4,582 is rounded off to 4,600. You have to write that in sentence. Okay, Nana? And here also, see ma, asking 100 so that you see the digit at tens place. So the digit at the tens place equal to 2. 2 is less than 5. Less than means there is no change in the hundreds place. Therefore, 3,46,725 is rounded off. 3,46,700 only. There is no change in the hundreds. Why? Because the digit at the tens place is less than 5. There is no change in the hundreds place. You write as it is, and we will keep zeros in the tens and ones places. Okay, ma? Note down in your class, homework book. Next. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 1,000. Next Roman. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 1,000. So note down this heading, Nana. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 1,000. $3,125. Seema, they're asking 1,000, so you have to look at the digit at the hundreds place. So the digit at hundreds place equal to 1. Okay, here 1 is less than 5. Therefore, 3,125 is rounded off to same thousands only. That is 3,000. Okay, and this place is hundreds and tens, ones place is equal to 0. Finish. Now, 8,28,743. Yes, to round off this number to the nearest 1,000, first you look at the digit at the hundreds place. So the digit at the hundreds place hundreds place equal to 7. So here 7 is greater than 5. Therefore 8,28,743 is rounded up to, yes, if it is greater than 5, add 1 to the thousands place. 8,29,000. 8 plus 1, 9. And hundreds, tens, ones becomes zeros. So 8,29,000. Note down, Nana. Next, do the following additions. 16th Roman, do the following addition. So do the following problems. You'll keep like this. In this Roman, I will give both addition and subtraction. Okay, ma? The first one. 25,64,943 plus 14,75,872. So how to add these numbers? First you have to arrange these numbers. Okay, number down number 14,75,872. So arrange this. Now start the addition from the ones place. 3 plus 2, 3 in the mind, take 2 fingers, 3 after 4, 5. Write 5 in the ones place. Now you add tens place. Take the small number as fingers, Nana. So take 4 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 in the hundreds place and write 1 in the tens place. 1 plus 9. 1 in the means here you have to carry 1 to the hundreds place, Nana. So 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So 1 carry to the thousands place and write 8 under the hundreds place. Next 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So 1 carry to the 10,000s and 0. Now you add 10,000s place. Take 1 finger, 6 after 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So 1 carry and write 4 down. Now 1 plus 5, take 1 finger, 5 after 6, take 4 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 carry to the lakhs place and write 0 under the 10,000s. Now you add the lakhs place. Take 1 finger, 2 after 3. 3 in the mind, take 1 finger, 3 after 4. So the answer is 40,40,815. Okay, ma? So 40,40,815. So like this you have to do additions. Okay, ma? This is the model. Next one. 82,69,736 minus 40,20,628. So first you have to arrange this one, Nana. What is the symbol here given? Minus. So the symbol for subtraction is minus. So first you arrange the numbers. Okay? Yes. Start the subtraction from the ones place. First you see the down number, Nana. Here 80 is greater than 6. So we can't do it directly. So that you take borrow. 6 becomes 16. 3 becomes 2. Now start the counting from 8 to 16. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8 fingers open. Number minus same number 0. Close finger 6 after 7, 1. 0 to 9, 9 itself. 2 to 6, close fingers 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 0 to 2, 2. 4 to 8, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. So like this we will do addition and subtraction. Okay ma? So the result of addition is called sum or total. The result of subtraction is called difference. Okay? Note down in your homework book. And I explained that if 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the same number. And number minus same number equal to 0. If you subtract 1 from any number, we will get the predecessor of that number. Okay, Nana? So these are all you have to well prepared for the already, you well prepared for the online objective test, Nana. Isn't it? Okay, next, word problems. Last concept, word problems. 17th one, word problems. So in your textbook they are given only word problems in exercise 2C. They are given only 5 word problems, Nana. Okay, I'll change the numbers and I'll give 2 problems to you. So if a vegetable seller sold 12,35,400 apples, write down along with me children. 10,25,460 oranges and 2,48,943 mangoes in a year. How many fruits did he sell in all? How many fruits? How many fruits did he sell in all? See children, all. So this is the keyword for addition. Already explained the keywords for addition and subtraction. Once again I revise that. See Nana, find the total or sum. So these are the keywords for addition. Total, sum. Next, increased by, added to, together, all, and more than. So these are the keywords for addition. And what are the keywords for subtraction? How many more, how many less, how much more, fewer, remain, left, take away, decreased by, taller or shorter, okay, less than. So these are all the keywords for subtraction. So first you read the question properly and you have to underline which one is important in the problem. So a vegetable seller sold apples. Now you have to underline how many apples. Underline the oranges. Underline the mangoes number. Now we have to find the fruits sold in all. Okay ma? Yes, come on tell me. That is the number. How to frame the step? Very easily. So number of apples. Next, number of oranges. Apples how many? Is 12,35,400. And next, oranges. 10,25,460. And next, number of mangoes. So you will write sold, Nana. So 2 lakh. So here you must be very careful children. This is the lakhs place. Don't write 2 under the 10 lakhs place. Okay ma? Write 2 under the lakh place. 2,48,943. Now total number of fruits. Total number of fruits sold plus We'll keep plus. Do the addition. Start from the ones place. 3. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 up, 0 down. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 9. Take 9 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 1 carry and write down. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4. So my dear children, you have to add all the digits in that row. See, 1, 3, 2, 4. So in this line, there are 4 digits, Nana. So you should add all the digits. Some children, they may forget to add one number, then they get the wrong answer. Okay? So don't forget to add the, so you have to add all the numbers, Nana. Okay? Take 1 finger, 3 after 4. 4 in the mind, take 2 fingers. Take 2 fingers, 4 after 5, 6. 6 in the mind, take 4 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So write 1 to the lakhs place and 0 down. 1 plus 2, take 1 finger, 2 after 3. 3 in the mind, take 2 fingers, 3 after 4, 5. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So 25 lakh 9,803. So how many fruits he sold in the year? 25 lakh 9,803. Okay? Yes, note down in your homework book. And next one. So in that exercise, all the problems are having addition and subtraction. The first one, Seema, the population of the city A is 41,22,459. Population of city B is given more than the population of city A. They are not given directly the population of city B. So they are given more. So you have to add that number to the city A. Okay. And second one, Rohit owns a house worth 99,25,000. Mohit purchases a house for 1,22,55,671. Whose house is expensive? Yes, Mohit house is expensive. By how much? By how much means you have to subtract that number from the Rohit, you have to subtract the Rohit owns number house cost from the Mohit house cost. Okay, ma? Already I given these problems in your classwork, Nana. And vegetable seller I explained. Now I will explain one more problem. So difference. See the fifth question, Nana. And fourth question already you know that very well. Find the total number of soft drinks. Total means we should add all the drinks. Now fifth problem. Janai's annual salary is. Yes, note down that question. So here I will explain one addition and one subtraction problem. By changing the numbers. So Janai's annual salary is 15,44,550. His brother's annual salary is 10,50,000. What is the difference between their salaries? What is the difference between their salaries? So this is the fifth question in your textbook, but I need not to change the numbers. Okay, just wait, children. I want to change this as 16 and this is 18. Okay, so change the numbers, Nana. So 18,40,550. Here 16,50,000. So we will write, Nana, first one. So same now, what is given? Janai's annual salary. Next, his brother's annual salary. Now we have to find difference between their salaries. Okay. Write down, Nana. Same. Janai's annual salary. His brother's annual salary. Or otherwise you will write annual salary of the Janais and annual salary of his brothers. Now difference their salaries. Difference between their salaries. First one 18,40,550 and next one 16,50,000. Now difference means what we have to do, children? As difference is the keyword for subtraction. So keep minus symbol and do the subtraction. 0, 5, 5 minus 0, 5, 0, 5 is greater than 4. So that take borrow 14, 8 before is 7. 5 to 14, 9, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So totally 9 fingers. So 6 to 7, 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, ma? So the answer is 1,90,550 rupees. So the there is the difference between their salaries. How much? 1,90,550 rupees. Is it clear to you, children? So my dear children, you have to practice all these concepts, Nana, for FA1 exam. And along with this, you have to learn 2 to 20 tables. Okay, perfectly. Okay, ma? So, along with this, I will send the revision sheets, Nana. Revision sheet 1, revision sheet 2, revision sheet 3. Okay? So, you have to practice those revision sheets also. Okay? All the best, my dear children. Thank you.